we are from Sandmax, and I just modified the desert player, the Gobi desert player. I create a light attack. This is an auxiliary light. Okay, it's not very powerful. It's a little LED, run with battery. But for backup light is useful, it's nice. So we have this big light for the purpose of this, for see very well, And then we have this backup light. It's also nice to see, It fit very well with the style of the bike. I just built this, as you know, with the older ring I had. I use also to build another light support for the old skull, and for the Black Snow 969S old skull I use kind of things like this. This is a bell. I cover it with this brown luster to match the color of the bike, as you see, and I attack it with the screw over there to the bell, and yeah, the result is very nice. It's very cheap. It's very cool, I think. It's not bad, and it's very also useful. And as you know, I built this sponge and tape for prevent it make noise, So it is cool to see. Nice, a nice backup light for if you need a light in emergency, you finish the big one, you can use this. Cool, nice. It's not very powerful, but it make the job done. You see? Subscribe, like, share, tell to me what you think about the things, follow the channel, watch the videos. Thank you so much. Here is so late, so I will go to bed now, drive home and go to bed. And tomorrow is Sunday, and maybe we are really busy. Remember to subscribe for help the channel to grow. Bye bye.